Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Miss Bobon break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Sapi get and dance in the middle portion. Down on the inside comes Showman. Master's degree. Then running by the rail comes Irish Smile, who's racing in last by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Miss Bobon by about 2 lengths. And in second is Sapi. Irish Smile is down on the inside. And on the outside comes Showman, Kaden Dance. While Master's Degree now racing in less. And as they swing down the back, we have Miss Bobon by about 4 lengths. Sapi in second. Then moving up now on the outside is Showman. Then next on line is Irish Smile, Kaden Dance. While Master's Degree is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Miss Bobon enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Showman now coming closer in second. Sapi is down in third. Kaden Dance, Master's Degree. While Irish Smile now racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Miss Bobon maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Showman now in second. Sapi still in third. And as they swing for home, we have Miss Bobon by our length and a half. Showman is down on the inside second. Last 100 meters, we have Miss Bobon followed by Showman. And finally, it's Miss Bobon. Showman, third. Master's Degree, then comes Sapi.
1, 2, 4, 7. 25 ang ating forecast.